Good morning, children. Children, previously we had learned about safety rule. कि which safety rule we will follow at the time of arrival and departure of your school bus. We had learned which type of what safety rule we had learned earlier. Will you tell me? Yes. First was what? You should stand in a queue on the bus stop. Second was just wait for your turn. Okay. Now third was don't keep your hand and arms outside from the bus. And one more safety rule, don't get into the bus when bus is moving. Okay. Now some more safety rule we will learn today. Children, if you are in the bus, we had learned earlier that if you are in the bus, so you will not keep your hand outside from the bus. Okay. It is unsafe. One more safety rule you should follow when you are in the bus. What is that? Just think about it and tell me. When you are in the bus, you must be seated in the bus. You will not move here and there. Okay? You will not move from this seat to that seat. You will not do this. It is very, very unsafe. Why? If you will move here and there in moving bus, you will get injured, children. You will get injured. How? You will get injured either by the rod of the bus, either by the seat. Okay, I'll show you the picture. Wait. See the boy. He is moving here and there in moving bus. He will get injured now either by the rod of the bus, by the seat. Okay. Now it is completely unsafe. How you will sit? How you will sit? You will sit properly in the bus like this. Okay. Like this. You will sit properly in the bus like this. Okay, children? I hope you will understand. Okay. Now first rule is what? Seated properly. Seated properly in the bus. ठीक है? Seated properly in the bus. Now, second is what? Just think about it. One more safety rule. Just tell to me. Tell me. I'll show you the picture and you will tell me. Okay? Which safety rule you will follow. Now just look at here. What is happening here? See. So many children are here. Okay? And one boy, he is there. He is doing right. He is doing right. No, he is doing wrong. Because driver uncle can't see him. Driver uncle can't see him. Then what happened? Accident may happen here. What happened? Accident may happen here. Accident may happen here. So, you will not do this. Okay, children? You will not do this. You will make a queue. Okay, children? Now, second rule is what? You will not stand in front or back side of the bus. Because if you will stand in front of the bus or near the bus, then what happens? Driver uncle is not able to see you. Then accidents may happen, beta. Okay, you will get injured. Okay? Now, second rule is what? Don't stand in front of the bus. In front means सामने. Don't stand in front of the bus. Okay? Now, next rule. Tell me, what is the next rule? Just use your mind and think about that. Yes, look at here. Look at here. What is happening here? Tell me. They all are stay away from the car. Stay away from the car while crossing the road. These children are crossing the road now, but they all are stay away from the car. Okay, this is one of the most important safety rule. Okay, children, if you are crossing the road, what will you do? Just make a proper distance from the bus and from the car or any another vehicles. Okay, it is very important. ठीक है, just keep yourself safe. When you are outside, what will you do? You will try to keep yourself safe from vehicle, from buses, from anything. Okay, now third rule is what? Keep distance. Distance means what? You know na? Keep distance from bus while crossing the road. While crossing the road. If you are crossing the road, what will you do? You will keep distance from the buses if you are crossing the road. You will not cross the road कि bus is here and there. You will जैसे congested way में you will not cross the road. You will cross the road. Just maintain the distances from the buses and cars. Okay, children. Now next is what? Tell me. What is the next and last rule you will follow? See here. What is happening here? Look at here, children. Here there are so many children is talking with each other. But it is a place of talking. This is a place of talking. This is a place of meeting. No, it is completely unsafe. They all are on the road. Children, it is very, very bad. Never wait for your friend at the place where the buses run. This is a place where so many buses are running here and there. Okay, you will not wait for your friend where their buses is running. Okay, children, it is most important. If you want to meet your friend, if you want to meet anyone, where will you go? Where will you meet? You will not meet on the road. You will not stand on the road. Road is the place where so many vehicles are moving here and there. So you will not do this. If you want to meet your friend, you will meet at your home also. You will meet in a restaurant also, but you will not meet on the road. Okay? Road is the place where so many buses can go here and there. It is unsafe for you. Accident may happen. Okay, children? Now, last is what? Don't stand on the road. Okay? Don't stand on the road. Okay, children? Now, just take out your book. Take out your book fast. What we had learned today, we will read it out properly. Wait, I'm just coming. See, this is your book now. Just open the page number 40. Page number is what? See, 4040. Open the page number 40. This is your book. This is your course book. Okay. Now open the page number 40. Now what we had learned today. See. We must put your finger and you will read with me. We must keep seated in the bus. Okay, you will sit properly in the bus. I'll show you the picture also. You will not move from this seat to that seat. Okay, you must You must keep seated on the bus. You will learn the spelling. Okay, children? Now, next is what? We must not. See, here not is written. We must not stand or move around. Okay? You will not move around the bus. I told you na, you may get hurt otherwise. If you will move, you may get hurt. Next, don't, do not. Here also not is written. Do not stand exactly behind. Behind means what? You know na? Piche, behind or in front. In front means you know very well, samne. Do not stand exactly behind or in front of the bus, as the driver cannot see you. Okay, children, you will not stand in front or behind of the bus, because if you will stand it, what happened? Driver cannot see you. Then accident may happen. See here, this boy is standing in front of the bus. What will happen? Accident may happen. Na? Driver uncle may drive the car. He is not able to see. Then accident may happen na? You will not do this. It is very, very unsafe. Now next, stay away from the bus while crossing the road. Crossing, you will learn the spelling of crossing also. Okay, children? Now look at here. He is crossing the road. He is crossing the road and he is maintaining a sufficient space from the bus. Okay, now driver is able to see him. Now it is right. This is wrong. He is exactly in front of the bus, but he is maintaining the distance. It is right. Okay, children? Now last is what? Never wait for your friend. You will not wait for your friend. Where? At the place where the buses run. You will not meet your friend. Where? Where the place buses run. Okay, children, you will not meet your friend on the road. You will not meet your friend at the place where so many vehicles are running. It is completely unsafe for you. Okay? Now, what we had learned today? We had learned some most important safety rule that you must follow, you should follow at the time of arrival and departure of the bus. Okay, children? Now, what you will do? What is your homework? Your homework is just learn the hard words. Just read it out properly. Just learn the hard words, and in your rough copy, you will write 2 most important safety rule. In your rough copy, you will write it by yourself. Okay? We will meet again. Bye-bye.